We will not go to the deep down, but we will focus only on coping stances, right? Because there are also some very strong belief inside here says that actually when problem happen, or actually, especially in communication, when problem happen, it's because there's some different belief, different action, different thought, different goal, right? So what they believe is that if different is not conflict, then actually different may equal to growth if you handle it well. Different equal to growth, do you agree? Yeah. Yes. So, but the difficult part is how do you shift from different to growth? And your heart still cannot hold it because it's so different, right? How? Satya says the way is first to find sameness. First to find sameness, then you will see different as growth. In that different and in that conflict, there is always some sameness.